announcement before we get into the video. I did just start a Discord server. If you want to join that up, like literally at the moment is just me. So, if you guys want to join that up and like build like a super tight community with trading, make sure to hit the link in the description. Join the Discord. I'll get to be doing some like really cool stuff with it in the future once we get some more members. So make sure to join that up and get your spot. So yeah, let's get right into it. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to a trade recap. Yes, I'm making a trade recap today, not a road to 100K, because like I said in previous videos, I'm going to be doing one of those a week, like one video a week. So I'm still filming all the stuff. I was still up today and filming all the stuff for the series, but instead of posting 5 videos a week, I'm going to post one longer video at the end of the week, and it's going to be a lot better. It's going to be more highly edited, less boring to watch. So yeah, but I will be doing trade recaps, and I'm gonna get right into that for you guys. So banger day, banger shorts. We are up about $500 across 5 accounts for about a total of $2,600. Kind of unfortunate because this is what I was talking about with the reason that my accounts aren't going up is because when I catch these moves, I'm not sizing in heavy enough. So I almost got, this is a 166 point move, and I only made $500. I guess I took one contract out here, so if I left that, it might have been like 650. The only reason I didn't size in super heavy with this trade was because my stop loss was originally so big, because I wanted to give this trade room to play out. If I put my stop loss like here, for example, I could have used 5 micros and I would have like absolutely banked. I don't know, like at the end of the day, I'm only up about 1 hour though, because I usually try and risk 500, so I definitely under risked. Like maybe like tomorrow I'll only risk like 300 just so I don't know. Like I probably should have sized in heavier, but it is what it is. I'll get into the trade recap though. So coming into the day, straight up looking at the daily time frame and the 4 hour, we are bearish. Okay. The only reason, like, I don't even know what any other argument could have been for us being bullish. Potentially, like, this could be looked at as like a little bit of high resistance, but we're undoubtedly bearish on the daily and the 4 hour. So this is exactly what I wanted to see. I literally have a clip of me saying it for the road to 100K. I said I want to see this London high get taken and tap into this 1 hour gap, because this London high is also a 1 hour intermediate high. So you have this session high resting inside of a 1 hour gap. I want to see that get taken, and then I simply just want to see manipulation up, take out that high, and then I want to see inversions down. And I ended up going with the 3-minute inversion. After this 3-minute candle close, I entered a little bit here as we were displacing. I didn't wait for the highest time frame because we did have a 5-minute. The reason just being, like, I had super strong conviction in this trade, and I didn't personally feel the need to wait for it. Like, could you have? Obviously, yes. If you would have waited for it, maybe it would have been, well, you wouldn't have gotten a fill, actually, so no. But, like, I just had super strong conviction in this trade. This is exactly what I wanted to see happen. I was very confident in the draws. We had a lot of nice LR below on the low time frame, so we had this, like, trendline liquidity. Boom. And this was my like external draw I wanted to see get taken. So yeah, I took the 3-minute IFG after we tapped into this, delivering off a 1 hour gap, sweep of a session high. No sort of SMT, but that was fine with me. Like because we were delivering off this 1 hour, I was pretty confident in this move. Strong draws to the downside, and overall higher time frame bearish. So pretty A+ setup, honestly. Only thing that could have been better maybe was a SMT, and potentially a better like place for stop loss. If that makes sense. Kind of sucks. I only made $500 on this trade, but at the end of the day, we're up. We're up on the week. I didn't trade yesterday. It was a bank holiday, but regardless, like I'm in no rush, you know. So, well, the issue really is the fact that these wins should be banking me more money. But yeah. Anyway, like I said, it doesn't matter because at the end of the day, if I know how to trade and like my win rate is gonna be over a 50%. So as long as I'm consistently risking $500, which is what I should have been, I should have made a little over 500 here. Oh, it's because I took partials. That's why. Yeah, it's because I took partials. So I did risk about 500 on this trade. So I should have made around 700, but I took partials. Yeah, that's why. But pretty A plus setup. Literally the only thing that could have been better, maybe an SMT, but yeah, it really doesn't, in my opinion and my conviction on this trade, it doesn't get much better than this. Super nice delivery as well. And yeah, I'm super happy with how I played it today, which is really what matters. This is gonna be a pretty short video. I'm gonna get to editing some TikToks and start getting some more film and content for the Road to 100K series this week. Also, all right. I will see you guys tomorrow, though. Thanks for watching.